We are live on Talk Magazine Taxi Talk, and the legends is in the building. Lil Melvin and Liddy Jones.
How you guys doing? I'm talking to the world-class gambler, Mr. Liddy Jones. I have a question. If you guys could turn back the time, would you do the same thing, and why? Next question. The federal government putting these GPSs on people right now, and they ruled it unconstitutional, but they still arresting people on it. And thirdly, I'm waiting on the big screen for you guys. And Liddy.
Yeah.
How Frank Matthews doing?
You doing all right?
Okay.
All right, you still living?
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Okay. So basically, you want to know about you say a track, something on a car?
Right now, they putting the federal government, they've been using GPS tracking guys down and using them on guys.
I'll call you right back.
Mm-hmm.
They ruled it unconstitutional, but they still arresting guys, tracking these guys down, arresting, but it's ruled unconstitutional.
Trapping them how?
Lil Mel wants to know about trapping how. He said that
they tracking your everyday whereabouts, where you at.
Here's, unfortunately, for a lot of years, I and the brother sitting beside me are confessed drug dealers. I became a drug dealer because I was framed, and thereafter I chose to be a drug dealer. It wasn't by accident. But in life, you want an ace, king, queen, jack, and a 10. That's a royal flush. But every now and then they deal you a deuce, a tray, a 7, a 5, and a 9. That's nothing. But you got to play the hand you dealt. So I don't want anything to change. It couldn't have been no other way, and I would be pleased with it. I've spent 30 years in penitentiaries. I've witnessed 200 murders, and I think that was designed so that when I tell a guy I know everything about drugs and murder, I don't know anything about heart regulations and blood pressure. If you need to know something about those subjects that I think I'm professional in, call and ask. As long as you're not talking about names that would resurrect the statute of life imprisonment, as long as we're talking about hypothesizing, I can tell you things about murder that you just wouldn't believe.
I have another question. So when y'all go to the big screen, right?
That TV, you saying?
When you go to the big screen, who would you like to play your role in Hollywood, and why?
I would like, if I had an opportunity for somebody to be me, I would like for it to be Wesley, and the reason being is because I probably am one of the few 5 times martial artists in the state. I have a degree in Taekwondo, Goju-Ryu, Shotokan, Kung Fu, and Samurai. It would be real easy for him to demonstrate me.
What about Liddy?
Liddy can speak for himself. He grown.
Who would you want to be your pop, Mr. Liddy?
Probably, Hal.
Who?
Hal. We make Turn Hal.
What about Liddy?
Turn your radio down.
Howard.
Turn Hal.
Terrence Howard. Terrence Howard.
Terrence Howard. Oh, yeah.
All right, folks, if you want more Liddy Jones and Lil Melvin, give me a call. 443-839-8412, and a DVD will come your way.